So, Nnamdi Kanu was in court yesterday, and let me give you a breakdown on what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. You know, there are many fake news on social media. Everybody is trying to say Nnamdi Kanu became victorious, Nnamdi Kanu is now free, Nnamdi Kanu is this, Nnamdi Kanu is that. But pay very close attention, because I promise to be giving you updates on his case. Nnamdi Kanu was in court yesterday, the 29th of April, and the Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja, gave the federal government the nod to shield identities of witnesses billed to testify against the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So now that the federal government have decided that they are going to testify against him because of the 7-count charges of felony against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have decided to bring witnesses to this case. But these witnesses that they are going to bring, they want to hide their identity, hide their names, hide their faces. So they're going to be testifying behind the screen, hide their faces, hide their pictures, hide anything for security reasons according to them. But we know how the federal government tell lies. The ruling followed an ex-parte application that FG flew through its team of prosecutors led by Chief Adeboyega Awomolo SAM. Specifically, the court gave permission for the proposed witnesses to testify behind a screen with their real names replaced with acronyms. So the first testifier's name is PWAA. So sequel to the ruling, FG opened its case against IPOB leader by presenting its first witness, who was simply identified as PWAA. So you see, this case is getting interested, because now they are going to testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the testifiers, their names will be written on acronyms, so their actual names will not be written. Kanu was first arrested in Lagos on October 14, 2015, upon his return to the country from the United Kingdom, UK. On April 25, 2017, the court granted him bail on health ground after he had spent about 18 months in detention. Upon the perfection of the bail conditions, he was on April 28, 2017 released from the Kuje prison. However, midway into the trial, the IPOB leader escaped from the country after soldiers invaded his country home at Afara Uku Ibeku in Umuahia, Abia State, an operation that led to the death of many of IPOB members. Now, where is this case getting interesting? Kanu was later rearrested in Kenya forcefully against his will. Interpol was not used to arrest him, and on June 19, 2021, he was forced back to Nigeria without extradition by some security agents on June 27, 2021. Now, sequel to the development, the trial court on June 29, 2021 remanded him in custody of DSS, where he remained till date. And even though the court, the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal on October 13, 2022, ordered Kanu's immediate release from detention, even as it quenched the charge against him, the FG refused and took the case to Supreme Court. So now the Supreme Court has given them a nod to present their witnesses. But these witnesses that will be presented, their faces will not be shown. So this is where this case has ended. Do not listen to any false news or false information about Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu is free, Nnamdi Kanu is already getting freedom. The next thing we are going to be seeing in court is that the federal government are going to be bringing their witnesses. And from there, I'll give you more updates. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and follow our page. Share our videos as well. Thanks for watching. If you don't follow us, you may not be seeing several of our updates.